Okay, so they done Bulldogs with another video. And tonight, we will be doing a reaction to another Sky experience. This one is Husky tries on Dog Booties for the first time. She's not happy about it. So, let's see and find out what this will be about. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you want us to act next. And also, as always, hit that bell icon for more content on Dayland Bulldogs. And now, 3, 2, 1, let's see and find out what this will be about. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
What, Skya? You want to be a real one? Well, if you want to be a real sled dog, Skya, you've got to put on booties. You don't want to put on booties? But Skya, it's icy and gritty outside with all the salt. You need to be careful on the trails. Yeah. Come on, let's try on some booties. Skya, let's try on some booties. Look, I've got some beautiful little booties for you here. One for each paw. Isn't that exciting, Skya? Yeah. You want to try them? Okay, let's try these booties on, okay? Girl, give me your other paw. Yeah. Stay. Good girl. Stay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. How are you feeling, Skya? Oh no. Skya, come here. Oh no. Skya, come here. Good girl. Good girl, Skya. You okay, Skya? Your poor little leg. Good girl, Skya. You're doing it. Come on. Oh, Skya. Look. Good girl. Good girl. Skya, you sound like a little horsey. You don't like them? Oh, I thought you wanted to be a sled dog. Huh? You look like a very beautiful horse, Skya. A very beautiful horse. Come. Good girl, Skya. You're gonna get the hang of it soon, right? Right? Are you a good girl? Yeah? You want me to take them off, though? Yeah, I know. You don't like them, right? No, they're annoying. Oh, I'm sorry, Skya. But you need them. Yeah, to be a sled dog. Yes, you do, Skya. Okay, we'll take them off.
Okay.
Dad, would you like some popcorn?
Sure. Thank you. Hey, what is this?
Hey, Skya, I've got a little surprise for you today. It's related to the car. Yeah, you like the car, right? It's one of your favorite things. Riding in the car? Okay, well, we're not going to go ride in the car today. But it's something related to a car. You think you're going to like it? You will? Okay, I'll show you, okay?
Okay.
Skya, what's that? you looking at, Skya? It's not coming from there. What?
Okay.
Skya, leave it alone. Leave it. Skya. Skya, I thought you could be friends. You don't want to be friends with the car?
I guess that's a no. Just kidding. That is a no.
Oh no, what was that, Skya? Skya, be nice to the car. Skya, hey. What's wrong? Skya, you dancing?
Okay.
Skya? Skya, did you pick up the car in your mouth? Skya? Hey, are you chewing on its wheels? Skya, don't chew on its wheels. It's gonna run away. It doesn't like when you chew on its wheels, Skya. Skya, leave it. Let go. Don't touch it. I have an idea, okay? I'm gonna put something on it, okay? And maybe you'll be friends then? Right? Skya, hey, wait, okay? Give me a sec. So I've tied a treat to the car. A big, nice beef jerky treat. Maybe Skya will be a little more calm if the car has a treat for her. Are you gonna be friends with a treat car? You don't want, there's a treat on it, Skya. She's smelling the treat, but she doesn't realize it's on the car yet. Yeah, Skya, it's right there. Oh no, it's been flipped upside down, Skya. Oh, the treat fell. Oh no. Skya, there's still a treat left on the car. Oh no, she got the treat. Skya, you don't want to be friends with the car? I brought you treats. No, it did not steal the treats, Skya. It brought you treats, okay? Skya, it's a good car.
I don't think she really understands. But it's funny though.
Skya, hey. Skya,
Okay.
the car's your friend. Yes, Skya. The car's your friend. Skya, hey, don't be difficult about this. It did not steal your treats. It was bringing you treats, Skya. You just chose to view it that way. It was trying to be your friend. Can we try this again some other time? And you guys can be real friends? Skya.
Well, okay then. Hope you liked the reaction, everyone.
The average six-room house collects up to 40 pounds of dust, dirt, even allergens each year. In fact,
Okay, so this will be the end of the reaction. If you liked the reaction, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you want us to react to next. Don't forget, for more content, stay tuned. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notified of new content or old content or whatever content you would like. Until next time, Jaden Bulldogs, and we're out.